Selective perennial grass control, such as Bermuda grass control or Dallas grass control within a cool season turf grass stand, such as Kentucky bluegrass or tall fescue, is extremely challenging. Today we'll be talking with Dr. Peter Denoden on his work in dealing with selectively controlling Dallas grass from a tall fescue turf.
It's extremely difficult to selectively, that is to safely, control one perennial grass growing in another perennial grass. And in Maryland, probably the 4 top species or 5 that we deal with, whether it be a golf course rough or a home lawn, include our paspalums, and there's 2 general species that are common here. One is called field paspalum and the other one Dallas grass. We also have major issues with creeping bent grass growing in tall fescue, nimblewell, and Bermuda grass. And so over the course of time we've identified and developed rates and timings for selectively removing these perennial grass weeds. We started about 2 or 3 years ago when we realized that MSMA was going to be withdrawn from the market. It was the standard herbicide used for decades for controlling Dallas grass in cool season grass roughs and lawns. So we began focusing on some other chemistries, and one that we identified as being very promising is a chemical called fusilade. The common chemical name is fluazepop. It is labeled for use on tall fescue for golf courses and sod farms. Currently it's not labeled for use on home lawns. We started out with springtime applications thinking that when the paspalum broke dormancy would be the key time to try to control it. But we ran into quite a few phytotoxicity issues. We learned then, moving the treatments into the summertime into July and August, we really negated, although it's counterintuitive, we really negated a lot of the phytotoxicity problems that we saw in the springtime with the fusilade. Basically, what we're finding is that we can take the label use rate, which is 5 ounces of product to the acre, and apply it twice on roughly a 14 to 21 day interval and get very good control. Now, you don't get 100% or complete control. There's plants that will recover. You won't see that until the following year. A lot of the plants that do recover could be coming from seed as well, and it's a little bit difficult for us to ascertain.